As a content creator in Canada and the UK, I've discovered some incredible AI tools that are game changers for our industry. For instance, tools like Jasper and Copy.ai are revolutionizing the way we generate ideas and write scripts. They help us brainstorm catchy titles and engaging content in a fraction of the time. Then there's Descript, which makes editing videos feel like a breeze. You can edit your video just like a text document, cutting out mistakes and adding in new clips seamlessly. And let's not forget about Canva's AI features that allow us to create stunning visuals without needing a design degree. These tools not only save us time, but also enhance our creativity, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, connecting with our audience. If you're serious about creating viral content, these AI innovations are essential to your toolkit. Comment yes if you're ready to elevate your content game.